Give him 2 minutes to think about that one.
Yeah, you can argue for a few seconds, James, I guess, but you already know at this point you're going to sit down.
And tries to make a diagonal pass to LaPierre. Strong defensive effort. Up along the wing. Quick pass to Hintz. Buffalo's looking to break out of their own end. Takes that pass back at the point. Putting the hard hat on here. What a hit.
Well, that thing sounded like a car crash. When those two guys came together, he took the bad end of that hit. Now he needs some help at the bench.
They've got numbers. It's a 2-on-1. Sends it over. Scores! A short-handed goal!
Well, you're just trying to kill the penalty off. This is terrific work to see. Take advantage of a little bit of a bobble, and they go ahead and capitalize short-handed. Really nice play. Quick pass on the tape and into the net. So quick that the goalie can't get closed up and make the save.
Cincinnati's on the board. They lead it 1-0.
I can't believe this game's going to end 1-0. So that first goal gives you a head start into what I hope is a pretty offensive game. Oh, look at that. Here we go. We got a penalty coming up right here.
From in close. Fantastic save.
Yeah,